Welcome. In this video we're going to learn viSQL, which is SQL vulnerability scan in Linux. viSQL is Perl or DBI based universal SQL editor running in a shell environment. The application relies on the vi editor to manage SQL queries, query directives, and query variable within a text document. Let's open a browser, search viSQL space GitHub, click on GitHub black vkng or viSQL scan, SQL vulnerability on target scan. Let's download viSQL.zip file. Here I downloaded and extracted zip file saved on desktop. Open up terminal, type cd space desktop, that is change terminal directory from root to desktop. Let's install viSQL tool, type python2 space installer.py. Here we can see that viSQL tool is installed successfully. Usage python2 viSQL.py -t domain underscore name. Let's scan the biblehistory.com. Type viSQL -t http biblehistory.com. It will scan SQL vulnerability with all the pages. If SQL vulnerability is found, it automatically terminates and reports the SQL vulnerable link. Here we can see that SQL vulnerability found in http biblehistory.com subcat.php id equals to 16. So that's it in this video on viSQL scanner. Thank you for watching this video.